Of course, the airplane sound goes away as soon as I turn on video.
I think I should take it on the face.
A huge freaking sound. Oh, nope, come back. Sounds like their stomach is growling. The Earth doesn't have stomach, Jackie. Probably Debbie. She's hungry. Oh crap! I just put video. Like, seriously, probably is Debbie. Now she's eating.
Show this video to Debbie?
No.
You should. Can't wait to mix her out. That's a new goal of mine.
What is?
Mix Debbie up.
Mom, do you know why there's that sound? This is what I said to Court, because that's like, you are too, but in different ways. Do you read it? Do you read it? Wait, what? No. I spelled compliment wrong. The E after, there's no E after the L, it's an I. Mom, you spell compliment C-O-M-P-L-I-N-E-N-T, right? Oh, burn. Okay, anyways, and then...
I don't think that's good, huh?
This is what he said back, which makes no sense.
I put this on top of the dropster and then
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. That doesn't make sense.
Thank you.
Wait, Mom, can you get me my phone?
Yeah, I said I would when I put this there.
Oh, okay. It's not a picture, Mom.
It's a video.
It's not a picture, Mom. It's a video. God, Jackie. What's your brother done? Oh, hopefully it takes him a long time to clean up. You went on the boat? No, just in the bathroom. Oh, I am weak. I can barely lift that. Sad. You have to let your dog go to bed. You can't just let. But they don't have a bag to clean it up. So? I have the dog on the boat. 2 dogs. I can totally see him having dogs like that too. Yeah, he does. Have you seen his MySpace? He has pictures of his dogs. One's like Ice and King or something, I don't know. I like my dog. I don't much. I like my dog.
I don't think there's any secrets on the boat. Nice. There might be something on the boat.
There's little sword thingies in there, I think.
Yeah, I think there's some of those on the boat.
He already walked away. Marcolicious! Oh, God. Yeah, that's what I call him. I know, that's why I said it.
Kind of disturbing.
What is? He is kind of disturbing.
They're calling him Marco, his sister calling him Marcolicious.
Oh no, he's just disturbing to me in general. Well, I call Sammy Samalicious from Fergalicious. She calls everyone that.
Man, this thing's about to slide off the table.
He is kind of on the girl's side, so it doesn't matter.
fun.
I'm gonna call Court Fuchsia from now on. What? I'm gonna call Fuchsia, what's up, girlfriend? Fuchsia? Fuchsia. Okay. You know what I think I should do? I should practice for marching band right here in front of everyone. Ooh, look at that train.